guys, what's up? It's Chase from thetechunion.com, and I'm here with our first mod showcase. This is actually a mod that me and Nate created, and it's our first ever Minecraft mod. So basically, our mod is called the More Metals mod, and what it does is it adds in a few new metals to Minecraft, and as well as crafting. You can craft tools with the metals, and all kinds of cool stuff. So this is the first version of the mod. It's being released with full release, and I thought I'd give you guys a tour of the mod and kind of explain what it's all about. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I want to start out with the four main metals. Well, not main metals, but the four metals that you can actually mine. So first we have copper. Okay, copper it spawns about as commonly as iron. It's a little more common, but way less common than coal still. It's near the surface of the ground, and it's pretty easy to find. So you can mine it. This is what a copper block looks like, and if we look in here, we have copper ingots. So obviously, if you smelt the ore, you get copper ingots. Okay. Right along with copper, we have tin. Now, tin has the same ore spawning chance as copper. It's along the same lines, and this is what the tin block looks like. And then we have the tin ingots. Okay. All right. This is silver. Silver is a little more rare. You have to go a little deeper for silver, quite a bit deeper actually. And silver, it's not my favorite, but I really like it. This is one of my more favorite ores. You can see the block here. I'll talk about kind of some of the statistics of these metals a little bit later. This is the silver ingot. Alright, and then the last ore you can mine is the most rare. You have to go the deepest for it. It's about where diamond is, but it starts spawning a little bit higher. It's platinum. So this is what a platinum block looks like. If we look in here, we have platinum ingots. This is my favorite metal. Alright, so now once you have these ores, if we go over here, we see that we have a tin ingot and a copper ingot. Now, if you actually take these two ingots and you put them in a crafting table, you can actually make a tin copper ingot. Alright, so that's what a tin copper ingot looks like, and this right here is the block. Alright, let's just throw that out. Now, if you take a tin copper ingot and you smelt it, you get a bronze ingot. Alright, and this is what a bronze block looks like. Now, with all these metals, you can make armor. So we see we have tin armor, tin copper armor, silver armor, bronze armor, and platinum armor. So these armor sets are arranged in order from weakest to strongest, tin being the weakest and platinum being the strongest. Alright, and if we look back here, you can see that we can also craft basic tools in Minecraft with the metals. So we have all the swords, picks, axes, shovels, and hoes. So that's the basic core of the mod. Adding a bunch of metals. Here, I'm going to go and set the today. So now I want to take a look at the natural ore spawning. Okay, so I found a cave here. We look, you can see that copper, tin, so we have tin here and copper here. So they spawn a little bit more commonly than iron, and they're found about the same places. A little cave noise. So if we head down deeper though, okay, you gotta get deeper to get the others. So if we head down here, there's a ravine. So we're still not seeing any. We still have tin here, copper. We get deep though. Right here we have silver. Alright, and right by silver we have some platinum. So here's some more tin. This is platinum. Alright. So it's really cool. That's one of my favorite parts about the mod, how the ores spawn in naturally with the environment. And then obviously, you know, with all this stuff, you can choose what to craft, and you know, with saying that, you want to craft stuff wisely, because different metals do different things better. And I can show you that if we go into some documentation that we wrote up, kind of explaining a little bit more about the metals. So if we look at the ores here, you can see that it has a bunch of information. You know, you have the vein size of each. So obviously platinum being the smallest vein, and then tin, copper being the same, and silver a little bit more than platinum. You can see kind of the average number per chunk, and then you can kind of see where they spawn at. So they all can go down to 0 bedrock, and then they start spawning at these levels. And then you can see the mine and smelt XP, a lot of information here. Now we can go down to tools. You can see that platinum is the most durable, and it has the most damage. So platinum sword is actually better than a diamond sword. Okay, platinum swords are very overpowered. Not overpowered, but they're very powerful. And you can see that it has a pretty good enchantability rate too, which means that you can have a wickedly powerful platinum sword. Now you can see that silver has a high efficiency rating, which means, you know, it'll probably be best for a tool like a pickaxe or an axe, something like that. It doesn't have quite the highest durability, but it's still pretty good. Bronze sitting kind of somewhere in the middle on the durability and damage, but a little bit lower on the efficiency. Alright, so that's just an example of some of the things you can find with the tools. Now if we look at the armor, I'm not going to go through each individual piece, but just know that tin is the worst and platinum is the best. They kind of, you know, kind of gradually increase in strength. So I'm not too sure. I think bronze sits in between iron and diamond, so bronze is better than iron. Platinum is a little bit less than diamond, so diamond armor is still going to be the most powerful armor. You can see that silver isn't, you know, as powerful as bronze and platinum. However, it has a very high enchantability rating, meaning you can get some really cool enchants with it. So along on this, also on this page, sorry, I'm having trouble talking. You can see also some of the crafting recipes, just 2 little crafting recipes. So talking about the future of this mod, we do plan in the future to do a big overhaul of this mod. This is kind of just the beginning. We'll be adding stuff like new armor, a bunch of weapons, you know, overhaul to the combat system, just a bunch of stuff. It's going to be really cool, and we're really looking forward to getting, you know, more work on this mod and improving it. But right now, this is what we have, and it's pretty cool. So check it out. You can get it. There'll probably be a link to the description of this video to the mod. And we hope you enjoy. If you have any questions or comments about the mod, you can leave it in the comments, or you can leave a post on the forums, which won't be up right at full release, but will be up in a few weeks afterwards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.